Stop feeling tired. 5 morning habits you need to fix now. Ever wake up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? Like no matter how many hours you sleep, you still feel drained, foggy, and unmotivated? You're not alone. But here's the truth. It's not just about sleep, it's about what you do after you wake up. For years, I thought my constant fatigue was due to poor sleep. I tried everything: new pillows, blackout curtains, even expensive supplements. But I still woke up groggy every single day. It wasn't until I took a hard look at my morning habits that I realized I was sabotaging my own energy. By fixing just 5 simple things and using some gentle, natural tweaks, I unlocked a level of energy I didn't think was possible, without coffee crashes or stimulants. Let me walk you through exactly what I did. Habit number 1. Stop reaching for your phone first thing. I used to check my phone the moment I opened my eyes, scrolling through emails, social media, news. Sounds familiar? That habit instantly triggers stress, spikes cortisol, and pulls your brain into reactive mode. Your nervous system hasn't even had a chance to wake up properly. Keep your phone out of reach. Give yourself at least 30 minutes of screen-free time in the morning. Bonus tip. Replace screen time with 5 minutes of deep breathing or gentle stretching. Try lemon water with a pinch of Himalayan salt to rehydrate and balance your body's natural energy. Droplet habit number 2. You're not drinking water, you're dehydrated. Most of us are mildly dehydrated when we wake up. That means your blood is thicker, your brain functions slower, and fatigue hits harder. I used to go straight to coffee. Huge mistake. Drink a large glass of water, 300 to 500 milliliters, immediately after waking up. Natural add-on. Add a slice of cucumber or mint, or even a splash of apple cider vinegar for detox and digestion support. This tiny shift kickstarts your metabolism and flushes out overnight toxins. Personal note. The first week I did this, my bloating dropped and my afternoon crashes started disappearing. I felt clearer. Number 3. Skipping natural light exposure. You know what regulates your internal body clock? When you stay in dim rooms or under artificial light all morning, your brain doesn't get the signal to fully wake up. That leads to feeling sluggish all day and struggling to sleep at night. Within 30 minutes of waking up, step outside or near a window for at least 10 minutes. Even on cloudy days, natural light helps reset your circadian rhythm. Do some light movement or deep breathing barefoot on the grass. Grounding your body can actually reduce inflammation and boost energy. Sounds odd, but science backs it. With plates. Habit number 4. Eating the wrong breakfast, or skipping it. I used to skip breakfast or grab sugary cereal, thinking it was quick and easy. But this leads to blood sugar spikes and crashes, which totally wreck your focus and energy by mid-morning. Go for a protein-rich breakfast with healthy fats. Eggs with avocado. Greek yogurt with chia seeds. Smoothies with plant-based protein and nut butter. Natural add-on. Add adaptogens like maca or ashwagandha to your smoothie to balance stress hormones and support energy naturally. True story. When I swapped my toast and jam for a protein smoothie, my mood stabilized, and I didn't need a second coffee. Huge change. Habit number 5. No morning mindset ritual. Your mind is most impressionable in the morning. If your first thoughts are stress, dread, or your to-do list, you're programming your brain for burnout. Create a simple morning mindset habit. Gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're thankful for. 5-minute guided meditation. Reading 1 page from a motivational book. Shift. This one felt strange at first. But now, I won't start my day without it. It's like putting armor on my mind before the chaos of the world kicks in. Let's recap the 5 morning habits that silently steal your energy and how to fix them. Stop reaching for your phone. Give your brain a calm start. Hydrate immediately. Add lemon, salt, or ACV. Get natural sunlight. Ground your body if you can. Eat energy smart. Prioritize protein and healthy fats. Reset your mindset. 5 minutes of intention sets the tone. These aren't major changes. They're small, natural shifts, but they completely transformed my mornings. Final words. Energy isn't just about what you do at night, it's about how you start your day. Try these 5 habits for 1 week. You don't need fancy supplements or expensive routines, just consistency and a little self-care. Pointing right. If this helped you, drop a comment below with your favorite morning ritual or one you're going to try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips.